Hey, what's up, you guys? This is me, Lady Simone. If it's back with another tutorial, and this is going to be a little bit different. I am starting a brand new segment on my channel, and it's called Black Beauty, and this is basically going to be me giving back to our community. You know, it's important to empower each other. It's important to invest in our Black community, and I figured that I could start something by introducing to you guys some new Black owned brands. They don't necessarily have to be top brands or whatever. I'm talking about small businesses. Like, I'm giving back to you guys because I think that's very, very important. I have this platform here. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. Like, that's amazing. I needed to do something that was like try to give back to my community, so I thought that maybe I could showcase a couple of Black owned brands. I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing this every week or every month. It all depends. I'm also going to be having a PO box set up. That way, if you are a Black owned business, a small business, you all can send me the things and I can promote you all on my platform free of charge. I'm not charging because it's my way of giving back. But the very first product that I will be mentioning to you guys on my channel, it is an edge control. It is BelleNoir edge control. Now this edge control, it is 4 ounces. It's good for relaxed and natural hair, so that's awesome. And it's Black owned. This is like the very, 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 very first product that I'm mentioning to you guys. What better gift to give you all for the first time besides like a good edge control, you know what I'm saying? So I have the product right here. It is BelleNoir edge control for natural and relaxed hair. It is 4 ounces, and the ingredients include purified water, emulsifying wax, mineral oil, glycerin, and Seth 40. BelleNoir edge control provides a long-lasting maximum hold for creating sleek edges and smooth styles. BelleNoir edge control conditions, moisturizes, and protects the hair. Our edge control works great with relaxed or natural hair. So I have had my dreads in for my faux locks, and for about a month on the 2nd of April. I have been getting over a cold pretty much this whole month, so I've been a little under the weather. It smells good. I've already used a little bit of it. I zoom in so you guys can really see the edges, so you guys can really see like how I do my baby hairs. Now I do have my got to be glue gel, because last time I didn't have any more, so I used just regular gel. So this is really, really how I do my baby hairs. So we got the baby hairs down and stuff. Make sure your hair is out of the way, and I'm gonna go ahead and start by getting a little bit and just placing it on. I'm gonna take the baby brush and comb out the edge control, and I find that with using the edge control, it just helps the baby hairs to get that thickness, that volume that I like when it comes to the baby hairs looking like full and really, really thick. You want to make sure that you don't have any product or anything in your hair, so that way it doesn't like cake up or anything like that. But I haven't really found any edge control that doesn't flake, to be honest. I haven't. We're gonna go ahead and swoop the baby hairs. Like that. Then I'm gonna take your finger and curve like that. Go ahead and do the same thing. Curve. Curve. Okay, grab a little bit more. Now this is a lot more baby hair than I normally keep out, but you know, as my style has gotten older, a little bit more of my hair has slipped out of the dread, so when it comes to this piece, I just keep that there because I'm gonna wrap that around one of the dreads. Let's go ahead for the side. Just gonna wrap that around one of the dreads. And we're gonna go ahead and create the little C's that I like to create. Now, edge control alone is not going to hold this down. You're going to have to set it. Set those baby hairs with the Got to Be glue gel. This right here is going to help keep the baby hairs from going anywhere, because just with edge control alone, even though my curl pattern isn't as coarse as some other women out there, it still doesn't hold mine down. My edges are still unruly and acting whatever way they want to act. So it is important to set your baby hairs just like you set your makeup, if that makes sense. And honestly, I haven't even really been doing my baby hairs lately because I've been rocking the natural, you know, type of look for the dreads. But I am happy that I was sent some because I was looking for some more because I ran out of my other one and I didn't really know which one I wanted to try. So I'm excited that they sent me over some edge control to try out for you guys, and it's black owned. Let's continue to the next side. So that's pretty much it when it comes to the baby hairs. I hope you guys enjoy the baby hairs. Now when it comes to the edge control, I really do like it. This edge control, I will love it a lot better when I don't have to do my makeup, because I find that it doesn't matter how careful I am when it comes to doing my makeup. It just like doing dramatic baby hairs and makeup is just, it's so aggravating. The slightest amount of makeup could cause the edge control to like flake up and, you know, not do what it's supposed to do and stuff like that, because other products are surrounding it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know you guys haven't seen the bull ring, you know, in a minute. Make sure you guys thumbs this video up. It does help me out a lot when you guys support my videos. Make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media. Make sure you go and check out BelleNoir Edge Control. I will have all of the information down below for you guys and all that stuff like that. And it also smells really, really good too. So all of the details as well as their social media handles and things of that nature will be down in the description box. All details for the makeup will also be down in the description box as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.